Ethereum bears are running out of steam as we approach the $1,700 structure support. Now, are we going to fall all the way back down and bounce up, or are we going to crash straight through to make a new lower low? Let's find out in this video. First things first, I'm going to take you to the TradeConfident.io website, scrolling down to the Ethereum metrics, where we will be taking a look first at the Ethereum Emotional Index. As the price of Ethereum has dropped, we have dropped even sharper in the emotional index, now in fearful territory. Most often this means, and I agree, that drops like this are really scary. So traders are going to be feeling really anxious or even fearful, as this indicator is showing. Most often though, when people are fearful is the best time to buy, because that's when prices are low, and when trading crypto you want to buy low, sell high. Moving on down now to the Ethereum volatility breakout detector, we are still seeing super high volatility in Ethereum. This is great to see. Personally, I like some volatility in the crypto market, as this is where you really begin to make money. The larger swings you can catch, the larger amounts of profits are possible. Heading on next to the Ethereum Whale Smart Money metric, where we are seeing long trade sentiment from whales. However, it's not until we see a metric value of around 800 to 1,000 that we typically see those big moves back up in the market. So that personally is what I'm waiting for. It may not quite reach it, but as we inch closer and closer to it, that becomes more and more likely to see whale money moving into the market. On now to the Ethereum major support and resistance levels. We still have structure support at $1,742 and $1,714. You can't forget that one. This is the next closest structure support, and if we continue falling, personally, I'm not expecting to fall much farther than this, based on the significantly bullish nature of the rest of the metrics and the indicators, as you'll see later in this video. Now looking at the Ethereum long versus short trades, we are seeing a huge spike in long trades. This started right about this level, which is interesting because usually when long trades enter the market, this is when we see prices going up. Really what this tells me is that whales did drop the price of Ethereum on purpose and are now loading up bags at this lower price. I imagine as the price begins moving up, a lot of retail traders will begin FOMOing in and pushing the price up, putting anyone that bought around this level or lower if it falls in much further profit. So personally, I like to be the one buying the dip rather than the pump. Heading on now to the Ethereum daily trade scanner. Last but not least here, we got a strong sell signal that perfectly indicated the top, and we have moved down ever since. Honestly, these sell signals have been performing amazingly on Ethereum. I'm very happy to see the performance of this daily trade scanner. And with that in mind, we're looking for buy signals as the price drops here. As soon as we see a buy signal, this will indicate and almost guarantee the next move up in crypto. Of course, nothing is certain. You always want to be relying on other metrics like you see up here. And if you want to get access to all these metrics and more, you can grab our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page where you can get the full access for $59 a month. This is the one I personally recommend. You can still get access to those Ethereum metrics for $29 a month too, but you will be missing out on a ton of extra benefits, like all 20 coins worth of metrics versus just 10. You'll get future forecast and Zoom coaching every single month, which, by the way, this is happening this Thursday, so you're going to want to join us with the full access membership if you want to talk to me, Travis, and Josh, the Trade Confident staff here. We're really excited to talk to our members, so just as a reminder, that is coming up. You'll also get access to scalping trades and many more benefits. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Ethereum on the 1-day time frame. This yellow line right here was a previous prediction I made. I believe it was Thursday of last week. You can see that we met and then actually pushed right past that point. And the next structure support I'm personally looking at is at about $1,742, as we saw on the metrics. Let me make this exact real quick. 1,742. Boom. This is the exact level we saw structure support on the support and resistance metric earlier. You can see we also got a sell signal at that point. The other metrics are looking very interesting. The trend dashboard is torn, with RSI, stochastic, and MACD all looking bearish, while the 50, 100, and 200 moving averages are bullish. I would consider this pretty neutral. Trend exhaustion is in its very bottom red territory and looks to be just barely beginning to move back up. This tells me that we are just about at the bottom of this move down. And with that, the price versus money flow is at about the middle of its chart, with a metric reading of about 55. This is pretty much dead center and tells me that whales could either move money in or out of the market. It is a very neutral reading from whales, and we really need to be paying super close attention to the price versus money flow, because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go to. So if whales continue moving money out of the market, indicated by a green line moving downward, this is where we're likely to see the price of Ethereum drop. And again, the first structure support I'm looking at is $1,742. However, if we move up, if we see this green line moving up, you're going to be likely seeing the price moving all the way back up to the previous structure resistance, the previous top of this bear market at $2,144. Honestly, this is going to be the thing we're keeping the closest eye on. The price versus while money flow will be crucial. I say it so many times. I'm a broken record, but it really is true. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. Personally, overall, based on the neutrality of these indicators, based on where the trend exhaustion is at, and based on the fact that the price versus while money flow is neutral and slowly trending down, I think we may see just a small bit of a drop down. I think that's the most likely scenario. From the current price, boom, heading down, this is a drop of about 4%. So nothing drastic. It could very easily happen within the next few days. I know the trend exhaustion is super low on its chart as of right now. Price versus while money flow is in the middle and relatively high based on this screen. This tells me that even though the trend is exhausted, we could drop a little bit further. But from there, I think this is the absolute possible bottom for this move down, until we really begin moving back up. With that knowledge, you're really going to want to get access to these indicators, especially the price versus while money flow, if you want to succeed in this market. And in order to do so, all you have to do is check the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page where we have over 4,000 downloads and counting. In order to get the best possible deal with a $400 off coupon is to purchase the bundle pack first. All you have to do is click this link. It'll bring you to the actual store page. This is a $2,241 value for only $400, $399 to be exact. You'll get access to the trend exhaustion, price versus while money flow, and trend dashboard you saw me using. And that extra coupon, just go ahead and click I want this, will give you access to that TC top and bottom finder for crazy cheap. Just go ahead and put in your information here, enter your zip code and all that. I'm going to put in a fake one just as an example. Go ahead and click pay, and it'll give you that $400 off coupon, the TC top and bottom finder, for only $349 instead of the regular $749. Go ahead and click add to cart, and this will give you access to the best possible deal. All 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for just $748. An awesome deal. And again, links are down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.